Hi kids, welcome back to Reading Time with Celia. Today I'm going to continue reading Dogman, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea by Dave Pilkey. Chapter 13, This Might Be a Problem. The propeller was recovered and reattached. This is glue, strong stuff. And soon the damaged sub. This is tape, strong stuff. I think we're ready to go.
What could possibly go wrong?
But then, roar! Ah!
Help! It's a giant monster!
Actually, it's really just a microscopic parasitic mite of the genus Demodex. In small numbers, they're quite harmless. Ah! Uncle Larry! This looks like the job for the Super Buddies. We need our costumes. And so, shoom. Something is missing. Hey, what about ADHD? Oh yeah. Hey, we need help. Will you hurry up? We are hurry-upping. You guys can't be the Super Buddies if you don't got ADHD. She's right. ADHD's hands are full. Maybe I can take his place. But you don't have a costume. Zong. Fwoosh. Zip. Zip. Kashonk. Zing zong. Zing zong. Snip, snip, snip. Floosh. Zaza, zaza. What's taking so long? We're doing something important. Gee whiz. And so, I look awesome! Thanks, ADHD! Now we just need to think of my superhero name. Aw, come on! Seriously? Okay. Jeez Louise. We can work on my superhero name after we... Hey, where did everybody go? You're too late, kid. Grrr. Be nice, Zuzu. I think everybody got swallowed. Hey! Let go of our friends. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! Let's get him! Flip-O-Rama, bash that bug. Mighty Fighty. Ah! 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 Boing! Zip! Grab! Rawr! Glub! Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 14. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a blessed day.